Today I'm going to cut some more white pine live edge on one side for the interior walls of the workshop, the log cabin style workshop. So we're going to jump on the tractor and bring down a log right now. So I love that new forklift attachment that is on that I bought for the tractor. It took if you watch my videos, earlier videos, the forks that I used the last 3 years on that bolted onto the bucket, ripped the bucket, broke the weld, and ripped the bucket pretty bad on one side. Last week it snapped the other weld on the other side. So I've been going to get this attachment for some time now, but really didn't want to spend the money on it with everything I'm trying to do to get this building going. But when that other weld broke, didn't really have much of a choice. And I got to get that bucket somewhere, get it welded, get it fixed. But I really like that attachment though. Takes these logs and handles them a lot nicer than that when they're bolted to the bucket. Attachment gets you closer to the trailer, closer to the tractor, and just makes lifting seem so much less effort. So I guess it was a good decision. In the long run, it will be, after I forget about the bank book statement showing that $1,100 coming out of it, but that will pay for itself over time. All right, let me get set up here, and we're gonna cut some boards out of this white pine.